Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make kalonji oil for hair loss or black cumin. Yes, so now you have to make sure that you blend your seeds into a powder form. So that's what I'm going to do. So kalonji oil can treat hair fall caused by a condition known as telogen effluvium. So hair loss is very common issue, but also one that leads to frustration. After all, hair loss leads to thinning of the hair and may cause baldness. So it can really affect a person's, confidence and cause anxiety over what the reason for hair fall could be. In such a situation, it becomes. Yes, so now it's ready. We're just pouring it in a clean mason jar. Make sure that you get a clean sterilized mason jar. And we're using cold pressed grapeseed oil. You can go for any oil that you have. I really love grapeseed oil and I have it in abundance. That's the reason why I'm going for it. So make sure that you close your mason jar tightly and make sure that you shake it at least once in a day. So we're going to infuse this oil for 1 month and 3 weeks. So like it's ready, it's been infusing for 1 month and 3 weeks. So as you can see, it's also ready. We are just straining it. Make sure that you get a fine strainer so that some of the powders don't remain in your oil. So we're just putting it in an applicator bottle. So now, to understand what telogen effluvium is, we need to first understand how hair growth works. So our hair goes through an active phase, which is basically the growth phase, and eventually enters the resting phase, which is telogen. So due to this scalp condition, the new hair tends to enter the resting phase too soon. And with a matter of months, this hair fall or this hair falls out. So it's a condition that is mostly attributed to stress and is usually reversible. So like in such a setback, it's become obvious that we need to look for a solution to restore the healthy follicles. Turns out you don't need expensive treatments. All you need is kalonji or black cumin seed oil. So now we're just applying it liberally in our hair. Of course, my hair is braided, but of course you can use it when your hair is free without it being braided. Yeah. So are you going to make this all? Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.